restrictive it is.
This, well, this.
Oh,
safety first. My fake Dremel sucks now. I nearly got decapitated.
What the hell?
So pretty.
That's going in. Hello world, welcome back to Accelerate and welcome back to, once again, my Honda S2000.
Again?
Yes, more content. This I am very looking forward to. Today we're doing what's known as the box mod on the airbox. As we've said, as we've proved, these amazing intake systems are so restricted from the factory, and there's a very simple free mod you can do that will gain you power.
When they designed these, they wanted them to be quiet because
that's why you buy a sports car.
They were expecting people to buy, you know, these cars and not want too much noise, but obviously...
Yes,
we want noise.
With this free mod, VTEC will scream even more, so let's get stuck in.
Let's do it.
Now before we get stuck in, we need to get a before sound clip. Great sound, but way too quiet for my liking. So the first step with a box mod is removing the factory airbox. Start by unclipping the 6 clips surrounding the box, and the lid will simply come off. Undo the 3 bolts around the airbox, securing it in place. Remove a few attachments for the secondary air pump system, and she comes right out.
Now that the airbox is off and the lid's off, you can see just how restrictive it is. As you can picture, that's where the lid sits. You are limited to that amount of room. All of this is wasted. So, do you want to explain the box mod?
Yes, right, what we're going to do, obviously this is the chamber, just to kill the sound a little bit. Remove this section here.
Yep.
On the lid, you've also got this, which sits there to direct air into the filter.
Oh, yeah.
So we remove this.
Yep.
Remove this.
God,
and we block up this. In there, yep. So when we cut this out, we'll cut a nice little piece in and stick it in here.
Nice.
As easy as that.
Nice.
Safety first. I can't see out of them, but
yeah, it's very safe.
Yeah, so we've got my fake Dremel.
Yep. So the idea, as we've said, is to literally, well, you'll see as he's cutting it.
Yeah, I cut a nice section out of it first, just so we can use it for the hole, and then I'll just start trimming it around it and grind it back.
Good old heavy-handed Kenny started the cutting, then managed to almost catch a cutting disc to the eye as it snapped off the drill. Always wear eye protection, people. I quickly took over to finish the delicate cutting part, and as you can see, Kenny got to work fabricating the small plate to cover the sound chamber. As confident as ever. I was actually quite impressed with the detail and the finish on the piece that Kenny created.
So what we've actually done now, What we've actually done now is remove this section here.
Yep.
Now it's usually a little bit easier, but I bought one of these from eBay, and it wasn't a cheap one, but it sucks. And I nearly got decapitated.
Yes, it nearly took his eye out.
So just be careful. I was wearing safety goggles.
Luckily, yes.
Yeah, so we've cut that out, tidied it up as much as we can. It doesn't have to be pretty because the cover's going on anyway.
Yeah, you could spend infinite time on it, but like you said, it gets covered up anyway.
Yeah, just do that. So then what we've done is with the remaining plastic.
Can I just show the ingenuity there? Because if you notice there are little grooves, you probably can't see it just down there. So fair play.
Yeah, it does.
Little
stick
details.
in it nice.
Yeah.
I know exactly. So it fits in there lovely. So what we're going to do now is use a high quality super glue.
Yep.
Hi Bob. And we're going to stick that around there. So what I'm going to do is just run a bead of high quality super glue. It doesn't work. What the hell? So what you then do is run a bead of super glue. So that's there. So as you can see, it's stuck on. So what what I'm going to do though, another day, is just put a tiny bit of silicone. A little tiny hole there. It's not going to make any difference, but just for aesthetics, I'm going to fill that with silicone as well.
Yep.
And she won't come off again.
Yeah. As you can see, after about 9 hours of cleaning, we've managed to tidy it up a bit. There's so many little
nooks and
shards, and yeah, the nooks and crannies that get stuck. So just be very careful cleaning it out, but it does take time. Now,
so the lid.
Yes.
You have this section here, which obviously was designed to go over the...
There.
Yeah, that basically pit that blocked it off. So we're going to take this off. Now you can just pop it off, yeah? But we'll do it properly.
Oh, nice.
So what we're going to do is use the soldering iron. Just to melt.
Yeah, heat it up.
Yeah, basically, yeah, we're going to heat it up and then we'll pop it like it's hot.
Good job it's not smelly vision, because it's Thanks.
Yeah, well, there we go. See?
Oh, nice.
As easy as that. So we'll do the same on this one and then the other side.
That's way too delicate for you.
I know, innit?
Usually it's...
I didn't even know if I'm in the right place because I can't see anything. I really got to all the lighting on this garage. I know. There we go.
Nice.
Just like that. So what we'll do now is
So obviously you've got the tabs
file
there,
those down a bit. Job done.
So nothing goes back there then, no?
Nope, it's up to you if you want to cut that as well.
So this is the lid. I've gone above and beyond and cut that little slot out there. That's all clean. Box mod there, cut the bit there, blah blah blah. So now,
Thing there.
yeah.
Yeah, we obviously use the solder iron to get rid of that piping.
Oh, it's just so pretty. Sorry.
The installation of the airbox is quite simply the opposite of the removal process, remembering to refit the hoses and connectors for the secondary air pump system. Or just do what I did and get some other sucker to do it all for you.
Be interesting to see now when it goes into VTEC.
Yeah, I say under load obviously it's going to be a lot
More growly.
Hopefully a lot louder, yeah. Box mod complete. I think the true test will be, well, we know if you go back to the dyno video, it shows how restricted these are. No way! We know it gains power, but the main thing I'm curious about is the sound, so we'll do a before and after.
Through the camera's microphone, it doesn't sound like there's any difference in sound at all, and to be honest, it wasn't as loud as I was hoping. It's actually a very good middle-of-the-road option between the factory system and a full-on induction kit. I honestly think this is how the S2000 should have sounded from the factory.
So it's not too tricky, is it?
No.
Obviously good if you've got the right equipment.
Yes.
But yeah, so we've obviously trimmed it all out. We've taken the pipe that takes it from one section to the other, and you should have more intake, and I found it.
Hopefully more intake noise. So
Yes.
as always guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Boom!